You can't tell that this is crochet. You can't tell? Crochet where? What? Ombre Mini Twists. Like, what? Get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am 𝐂𝐃𝐄. Welcome. If not, thank you for tuning back in. I appreciate you. So we have another install, and guess what? I know how much y'all loved the Ombre Afro Spring Twists. So we're gonna do some Ombre Mini Twists, y'all. And the hair that I'm using is human hair from QVR Hair. So I have partnered up with QVR Hair again, and they sent me some really cute hair. So this is their Kinky V bulk, and I have it in color T230, and it is 22 inches. And as you can see, it is also 100% human hair. Like I told y'all, QVR changed the game, and mini twists will never be the same. So let's get into this hair. The thing that I like about this hair already, it already comes pre-sectioned. So there's no need to split the hair. There's no need to judge what size the twists are gonna be. I love the ombre. And you get 3 bundles in each pack. And I received 5 packs. Each bundle has about 33 strands, and you'll need 2 strands to make a twist. Like how synthetic hair, you will have the whole strand folded over, whereas this is the full length. This is it, and then this is the top. So this is what the hair looks like. Y'all remember those ombre spring twists that I did? This hair reminds me of that, but this is the human hair version. This is 4 packs. The twists, they're very full, they're very bouncy, they're very springy. This is my contraption that I made in order to pre-twist the hair. So this is just a over-the-door hook from Dollar Tree. And I got a ribbon. You can use a ribbon, you can use a long elastic, you can use a shoelace. I double knotted one end on the bottom of this door hook because it has the knob, so it'll hold it secure. Then I double knotted the ribbon on the other end as well. I made a knot that was big enough so that the hair wouldn't fall off. You can hook this over the door, or you can hold it between your legs, whatever is easiest, but you need to stabilize this part. Next, I'm just going to fluff it. I just run my fingers along it, pinch the hair and run my fingers along it. After fluffing it, I'm just going to lightly stretch it. Hold it at both ends and just pull it a little bit. And now we're going to lay them on top of each other, like so. I start by placing the middle of the hair around the hook, and I begin twisting. I noticed that twisting to the left most times achieved the spring twist look, so I twisted to the left, and I did not roll the hair between my fingers while twisting. I simply hold the hair neatly and wrap each strand over each other, and I twist all the way to the ends. I'm just taking the strand and twisting it over. Just bring it in over, wrapping the hair over each other. I take this part, I unroll it a little bit so that the hole can get a little bigger, and then I just bring it over onto the ribbon and pull it down. Alright, so now I'm going to show you my braid pattern. I definitely wanted some freedom with parting. I wanted to have an optional middle part or a side part. I even did a side part for this side. It's for a little razzle dazzle. So now let's start installing the hair. I am so excited for this. Look at this. I'm so excited. So this is 4 packs. I don't know, I feel like this is gonna be enough for my whole head, and I was kind of tired of twisting. So I'm just going to unknot this end part. So now I just slide off the twist. So this is what it looks like. And I guess I'm gonna start along the perimeter. I'm definitely gonna need to put something right here. That's what this part looks like down. And now pull it up, we have this part here. So I'm gonna fill in this part next. So that's kind of how you have to do it. You go in, crochet some pieces, flip the hair up and down, whichever ways, pull it back this way, and just see what open spaces you have. Fill in the twist there. I don't want it to be too full. I want it to have a natural look, but also don't want it to look too sparse. So I'm gonna keep going, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it's looking like. So this is as far as I got. One thing that has really changed the game for me and making sure the back of my head is good when installing protective styles is purchasing this 3-way mirror from Amazon. I know y'all have seen this all over YouTube, all over TikTok, but get you one of these, okay? You could even see in my previous videos when I was struggling to do the back of my head, no more. And this one is actually an LED one, so the lights on the sides turn on. It's a little bit more expensive, but you never know what kind of conditions you're gonna be in when you gotta do your hair, so it's best to be prepared. So as you can see, like in the back, I am doing more of a brick layering method because you wanna make sure that you have a fairly good amount of coverage wearing the hair up. So we're gonna keep going. I just stick the crochet needle through a portion of the braid, like a little top portion or a portion at the bottom, so that my knot, when I loop the hair, it's not big. And I kind of want to make the back spaced out a little more. And then if I need to, I will go back in and add more pieces. I think I might add a piece right here. You know what I mean? Because these braids are so thick, I can install 2 rows of twists onto each braid. And that's why I say only push the needle through a portion of the braid, not around the entire braid. That means this is gonna go here. Alright, so now I do, however, just have this top row here before I get into the single parts. So just to help it look a little more natural, I'm going to install another row right here in this space. It's not a braid, it's just the hair that's gathering into the flat twist to help the transition from the single parts into the back look a little more seamless. Together pretty well. So I have now officially finished filling in the back half of my head. So I really just want to show you guys the top part. It is important to install the hair on the sides as well as through the middle of the braid so you can get full coverage of the braid. So this is what it looks like, and now I'm ready to start filling in this top section here. So this is what I mean by making sure you go through the middle. Alright, so I think I have one half this side is done. I really feel like I'm going to end up wearing it in a side part like this. So you can kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like. Oh my gosh, I think it's gonna be great. I have confidence. This is gonna come out great. So I am now done installing the twists. I love it. This came out really nice, and I like that it still has a very natural density to where it still looks like individual twists. You know how sometimes when you install crochet twists or things like that, it can look very bulky and too full to where it just doesn't look natural. But with this, I think my parting method and my install method really worked. So I'm just gonna clip off any scraggly ends with some scissors. And now I just want to also define the curls on the ends. I actually really like this color. I used the Nairobi foaming lotion to set the roots. And then I go in with the Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse to define and set the curls at the ends. Before tying it down, you just want to make sure that all the strands are laying in the direction where you want them to lay. I'm gonna go finish getting ready, and this should set for the next few hours, and then I will be back to show you the final look. And here is the final look, you guys. I love it because it still has a very natural density. You can't tell that this is crochet. Well, you can see a little bit right here. This is what I do. Just like that. Get your little bobby pin. Look at that. And we're good to go. Get into the color though. Get into the curls. Oh, this hair curls so pretty. This is my first time trying Crochet Mini Twists, and they came out really good. What y'all think? These came out really, really good for my first time. Ombre Mini Twists. They look so good. Ooh, I love it. Shout out to QVR Hair again. It looks so good. All right, y'all. Yeah, that's a wrap.
Thank you all so much for watching. As always, all of the products used in this video are linked in the description box below. Please like this video if you like this style. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.